Welcome to Anjali's Baker Fare. Today I'm really excited because I'll be sharing a couple of 1 minute, 1 cup weekend dinner recipes with you and a 1 minute dessert as well. So let's get started. The first dish that we're going to make is baked potatoes in a mug. Try to use a boiled potato for this, and if you're using a raw potato, then you need to make sure that you slice it very, very thin. So here are the ingredients on your screen. They'll be there in the description box as well. To begin, what you need to do is just mix everything into your mug and cook it in the microwave. So this dish is actually cooked potatoes in a very creamy and buttery sauce. The use of cream is optional, of course. You can use seasonings and herbs of your choice in the quantity of your taste. And as you're mixing these things, you're actually preparing the sauce in which the potatoes will be cooked. Make sure there are no lumps in this sauce. The baking time, or I should say the cooking time for these in my microwave, which is 900 watts, was exactly 1 minute, but it could differ slightly depending on the power of your microwave. So one more thing here, the use of cheese is optional, yes, but I do recommend using a little bit of it. The type of cheese you use is of course up to you. In this recipe, I'm not using salt because the cheese that I've used is processed cheese and it's pretty salty actually. So it doesn't need any extra salt as far as I'm concerned. That's your baked potato in a minute, ready, hot and inviting. Now on to the 1 minute walnut brownie. That is going to be the dessert for our weekend 1 minute dinner. So the ingredients are listed on your screen. Now, if you do not have chocolate, don't worry. You can totally skip it and use an extra teaspoon of cocoa powder instead of that. Now I am using melted butter and melted chocolate. You can actually use them unmelted as well, but I prefer to use them melted for a better incorporation into the entire recipe. And you'll see in the end, I like my brownies fudgy and moist on the inside. So these ingredients are according to that. You can totally adjust the quantity of the ingredients according to your liking. So in it goes into the microwave for exactly 1 minute. I topped it up with some choco chips for that extra effect. And here it comes out. Oh my God, just look at it. Isn't it tempting? So that's our dessert ready. So that brings us to our second dinner dish option, which is my 3 ingredient 1 minute mug pasta. The ingredients are on your screen. Use a pre-boiled pasta for this. And just don't worry if you do not have pasta sauce ready at home. You can totally take some tomato puree or tomato ketchup or a tomato paste homemade and add salt, pepper and other pasta seasoning to it, and you're good to go. I had mozzarella, which I used here. If you're out of mozzarella or it's not available, use any other cheese you like. The idea is the same. You just need to put everything in your mug, put it into cook, and it's done. Look at that pasta. Isn't it nice? So go ahead with these dinner and dessert recipes for tonight's dinner. Enjoy. Bye-bye.